Today guys, I will show you how to make like this morph transition in Canva. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Open Canva, choose video and choose video landscape resolution. And right now here on the background, we have to go to upload and we will upload the picture that we want to use. For me, I want to use this, click open and drag it to your background and make it like this, and after that click on it and duplicate. So right now, after that, we will make sure that is on the right place like this. What we have to do right now is to click and go to remove background. Click remove background. Yeah, and that's it. We remove background. We go right now to text and we click add text and we will write our text. We change the color to white and we will change the font to Anton, this, and we will drag it like this and put it here, and we will click right click and click layer, show layers, and we will drag this between this and this like this, as you can see right now. And next guys, we will go to element and we will search for space background and go to photo, and we will choose any photo that we want to use. Maybe we will use just what you want. For me, I will use this one. I will just drag it like this and click on right click layer, show layers, and drag it here on this place. And after that I will click on this image and I will go right now, make sure that click on layers, click on this image and go right now to edit, and it's going to take you here. So click adjust and just make the brightness, sorry, I will just make this here, make the brightness lower and the contrast little bit higher like this, like in the night. So after that, go to this page, click on this three dot, click duplicate page. So here guys, on this when we finish, we come to the first page and we click and we go to layer, show layers, and we click on this text and we will drag it here, sorry, we will drag it here like this. And after that we click on layers again, show layers, we click on the sky and we click on transparency and make it 0, and we click on layers again and go to this image or this image, and we will make, click on edit go to adjust and make the brightness here and the contrast here. And right now, guys, last step, go between these two pages, add transition, click match and move, and increase the duration to 2 seconds, and let's see right now the result. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video.